Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and carrier readiness. Check whether your phone uses a hybrid tray or true dual SIM slot, because that affects how you insert cards. Once done, backup contacts and note APN settings so switching is seamless. Make sure both SIMs are active and you know each PIN. This prevents activation delays. If one SIM is eSIM, follow carrier steps to install it before inserting the physical card, because order matters for primary line selection. Power your device down, insert both SIMs into their labeled slots, and close the tray. Improper seating causes detection errors. After booting, go to Settings and assign primary SIM for mobile data and choose a default for calls and SMS. This controls billing and app behavior. Next, configure APNs and roaming options for each SIM so data works reliably. If you need to swap roles, toggle the default settings rather than physically switching cards to avoid downtime. Finish by testing. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse on mobile data using each SIM to confirm functionality. Make sure you label SIMs in settings to avoid confusion and set per app data preferences so apps use the intended line. This prevents unexpected charges. If one SIM has no signal, power cycle the phone, reseat that SIM, and reset network settings if needed. Doing so often resolves registration or APN mismatches quickly so both lines work reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.